far as how well it works, the temperature here near the intake is 78.4. Now, mind you, the highs have been in the low 70s. I think the cover also makes a big difference. In a couple, 2-3 sunny days, it really picks up. The temperature coming out of this end is usually about 3 degrees or so higher this time of the day. It's around 11:30 during the day, and it's maybe 75 right now. So anyway, again, about 3 degrees or so, a little more higher. The big difference though is that the flow on this one, when we calculated the flow, is anywhere between 5 and 8 times greater than the other one. So roughly about 7 times greater than the other one. So less of a temperature change, but a lot more flow through the day. And that gets full sun from 7 in the morning till 3 in the afternoon or so. So a lot of hours, 3 degrees, it's building up really nicely. That one's still working well. So we're very happy with it. Thank you very much. Bye.